Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect BigQuery to Vertex AI for tabular training, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing in to your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section in the left sidebar. Select your project where the data resides. Choose the dataset containing the table you want to use. Click on the table to open its details. Make sure your data is formatted correctly for training purposes. Take note of the schema, as you will need this later. Now, head over to the Vertex AI section in the Google Cloud Console. Create a new training pipeline. Choose the tabular dataset option from the available selections. In the data source section, select BigQuery as your source type. You will need to enter the BigQuery table path. The format should be project_id.dataset_id.table_id. Next, specify the target column that you want to predict. This is crucial for the training process. Set any additional parameters like validation split and scoring. Configure the training job settings based on your model requirements. Choose your desired machine learning algorithm. You can select from options like AutoML or custom training. Review your configuration to ensure everything aligns with your objectives. Click on the Create or Run button to start the training job. Monitor the training process through the Vertex AI dashboard. Once the training is complete, evaluate the model metrics. Finalize your model and prepare it for deployment. You can now use this trained model for predictions on new data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.